The 1940s Federation-era home, nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Bellevue Hills, Sydney, was ripe for a contemporary transformation. Pohio Adams Architects, with a keen eye for detail and a deep respect for the home's heritage, embarked on a journey to reimagine the space. The firm's inside-out approach focused on curating an interior experience that would serve as the foundation for the home's outward expression. The architects sought to bridge the gap between the old and the new, creating a seamless blend of the two eras. By extending the original legacy of the home, they introduced refined and highly detailed insertions that fit harmoniously within the existing structure. The once formal planning was opened up, allowing for a more fluid and open connection between the interior and exterior spaces. The surrounding landscape played a crucial role in the design process. Each view outward was carefully considered, aiming to create an extension of the home and provide a sense of escape and tranquility. The backyard, a private oasis, was designed with a focus on privacy and seclusion, featuring a private pool as its centerpiece. In contrast, the front of the home embraced the sloping terrain, creating a series of platforms for seating and entertaining while offering panoramic views of the surrounding area. A significant addition to the home was the creation of a subterranean passage, connecting the garage to a newly created teenager's space, pool wet room, and wine cellar. This innovative design solution maximized the use of the available space while preserving the integrity of the original structure. The material palette was carefully selected to complement the home's character and create a timeless aesthetic. Oak flooring and joinery, polished plaster, aged brass and bronze, terrazzo, and sandstone were combined to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. These materials not only enhanced the home's beauty but also ensured its durability and longevity. Through their meticulous attention to detail and unwavering commitment to preserving the home's original character, Pohio Adams Architects successfully transformed Fairweather House into a modern masterpiece. The project serves as a testament to the power of thoughtful design and the enduring appeal of classic architecture. And there you have it. A stunning transformation of a classic Federation home into a modern masterpiece. Fairweather House, brought to life by the talented team at Pohio Adams Architects. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.